Hello friends, we welcome you all. Today we are going to make some of the cute little small things. First we are going to make from the number 6 food this cow. This looks so nice and it's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 5 to 7. Just give it a try. Fill it with some of your favorite colors. We are using pencil colors for filling it with. You can use any other color. Powerpuff Girls is one of the famous cartoon and usually girls are so fond of it. Today we are going to make one of the character of the Powerpuff Girls. As we know there are 3 girls but here we'll make only one. This one looks so good and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 9. Fill it with some bright colors like we are using here. This one looks so cute. Now we are going to make a big fat hen out of some numbers like the 5, 3, 4 as shown on your screens. Just follow all these steps carefully. You will be able to trace it down. This looks so good and it looks so simple. It's very less time consuming. Fill it with some colors. Next we are going to trace down a unicorn in just few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. You may need a pencil or a sketch pen for tracing this down. This looks so good and simple. Just give it a try. Fill it with some of the bright colors. We have used multicolors here. You can use the same. We have kept the body white. It's time to draw the king of the jungle. Yes, we are talking about the lion. We are going to make a lion in just few simple steps. You can just pause the video if you find any confusion and anywhere. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 8. We are filling it with somewhat yellow and the orange color so that it will look the goldenish look as the mane of the lion is somewhat golden in color. Our next project is also for the small kids between the age group of 8 to 10. We are going to trace down a caterpillar. It's somewhat spherical in shape and it's a worm. Then we are going to fill it with some different colors like we will be using green, yellow, pink. This looks so cute and you will be attracted towards this caterpillar. Now we will make a cat and a rat, that two together. As we all know, cats love to eat rats, but today we will be drawing a cat that's sleeping next to a rat. This one will be fun and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Fill it with some bright colors. Don't forget to make the stripes of the cat like we have made. Cats and the tigers belong to the same family and they are known as the cat family. Today we will be drawing a tiger that's somewhat sleeping in some box, and this activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 12. Just give it a try. You can just pause the video so that you will have much clearer look and you will be able to trace it down perfectly. Just give it a try and see how we are filling it with some different colors carefully. You also need to fill it with some colors with precision. We are now going to make a fish that is somewhat fat and this fish is smiling. It's just happy and we don't know the reason. So let's try to trace it down. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. Just give it a try. See how we are adding some of the patterns to the body of this fish. That's somewhat heart-shaped patterns. From the numbers 4, 5 and the 6, we are going to make a big fat hand in just few easy simple steps. This one is so good and easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. Fill it with some of the bright colors we have used here, red and the orangish yellow one. You can use any other color. Numbers like 432 will be converted into a cute bird. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. Fill it with some bright colors. We have used here the red and the yellow one. This activity is so cool and it's very less time consuming. Thank you for watching.